To keep connected with us, please hit the subscribe button. And also don't forget to hit the bell button to get updates every time we post a new video.
शुभ नववर्ष.
Hello guys, today is a very important day for us. Like he mentioned, today is Shubho Navabarsho, or as we can call Bengali New Year.
Devolina, in this occasion, why don't you show our viewers a Bengali preparation?
Obhiru, isn't it obvious that I'm going to show a very quintessential Bengali recipe today?
Okay, so what do you have in your mind?
I'm thinking of teaching how to make bhetki machir paturi or fish paturi, also called patrani machi.
Okay, so let's look at the ingredients now.
Let's see.
We need fish fillets. Here I've taken bhetki fish fillets. You can take any fish of your choice. White mustard seeds, some poppy seeds, fresh coconut paste, whole green chilies, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, sugar, mustard oil, banana leaf for making the paturi, which I have cut in squares. If you don't have banana leaf, you can always take aluminium foil. We also need thread for wrapping the fish fillets. Now let's cook! We have taken 4 tablespoons of white mustard seeds and the same amount of poppy seeds along with 2 green chilies. We have taken all the 3 things in a mixer grinder and we have blended them to get this masala paste. In a mixing bowl, we are going to take 4 tablespoons of the masala paste. Now, let's add about 4 tablespoons of paste coconut. Salt according to taste. Pinch of turmeric powder. Red chili powder. Tad bit of sugar. Now this is optional. And now let's add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of mustard oil. Now mustard oil is must for making patrani machi or fish paturi. Let's mix everything together. If you want, you can add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. And our masala mixture is ready. Then let's take the fish fillets and place in the masala mixture. Let's coat each fish properly with the masala. Let's marinate the fish fillets for 15 to 30 minutes. Let's start making the paturi. For that we have taken a banana leaf. Now we are going to place a fish fillet on the banana leaf. Let's add some of the masala. On top of it, let's add a green chili. And about 1 teaspoon of mustard oil. Now we are going to wrap the fish fillets properly with the banana leaf. Let's make a parcel which we are going to properly secure with a thread. So let's tie the paturi properly with the thread. If you cannot find banana leaf, you can always use aluminium foil. Let's cut the thread now. And our fish paturi is ready. We just need to steam them. We have wrapped all the fish fillets in the banana leaf. We have taken a kadai containing water. On top of it, we are going to place a dish like this containing force for steaming. You can use Momo steamer or any kind of steamer available to you. So let's heat the water. The water has come up to boil. Now we are going to add the paturi one by one on the dish. Let's cover it with a lid. Let's steam it for 10 minutes. Let's check now. Our fish paturi is ready. Let's take it on a plate. We will serve the paturis with some steamed rice. Let's unwrap the fish. Looks yummy. Let's add a lemon slice and a red chili. And our fish paturi finally looks like this.
As you all know, here's my favorite part now, the testing.
Let me unwrap this. Wait. Taste now.
It looks delicious. You taste and tell our viewers how does it taste.
You know, although I am the chef, but I have to tell this. This is out of the world. Try this recipe, please.
If you like our videos and if you try the recipes out, then
Please send the pictures in our email ID so that we can upload the pictures in our Facebook or Instagram page.
don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Bye bye. See you guys next day.
Bye.